There's a story we tell ourselves, a story of fear, of machines rising to replace us. It's a tale that plays on our anxieties, painting AI as a rival destined to make humanity obsolete. But what if this narrative is just that, a fiction born from our fear of the unknown? Today, AI is not a distant dream, it's a present reality. The real story isn't about conflict, but about connection. Imagine a future where AI amplifies human ingenuity, not extinguishes it. Our limitations become starting points for new possibilities. We must move beyond the tired tale of creator versus creation. AI is a reflection of our ambition, a tool forged from curiosity. The story of humanity is one of reaching for what's just beyond our grasp. AI is the next chapter. Change is frightening, but it's also an invitation to grow and redefine what it means to be human. The future isn't a destination, it's a path we create. The story of AI and humanity doesn't have to be a tragedy. We are the authors, and we can write a tale of collaboration and discovery. Let's challenge the old narrative. Let's imagine a future built together. Humanity has always been defined by its tools. From the Sharpstone to the computer, each innovation sparked both fear and transformation. The printing press, the steam engine, the telephone, each was met with anxiety, yet each expanded what it meant to be human. We adapted, learned, and integrated these tools into our lives. Our relationship with technology is a dance, shaping and being shaped. The fear of replacement is old, but every new tool has changed us for the better. The printing press didn't end writing, it created a world of readers and writers. Electronic computers didn't end mathematics, they launched new eras of discovery. Now AI stands before us, the most powerful tool yet. It's natural to feel anxious, but the principle remains: AI is a tool. Its impact depends on how we wield it. We are not passive observers, we are the protagonists. Our wisdom will decide AI's legacy. The story is not about being replaced, but about evolving. We shape our tools, and they shape us. The future is ours to direct. Let's use AI to write the next chapter. The era of AI partnership is already here, quietly transforming our world. In medicine, AI helps doctors detect diseases earlier and more accurately. It's not about replacing doctors, but empowering them with new capabilities. In creativity, AI inspires artists, musicians, and writers, offering sparks that humans shape into art. In education, AI personalizes learning, helping teachers reach every student. It adapts to individual needs, freeing teachers to inspire and mentor. Engineers and scientists use AI to design, discover, and solve problems once thought impossible. Climate scientists model the Earth, astronomers search the cosmos, all with AI as their sidekick. In every field, AI is not the hero but the essential partner. It empowers us to see further, think bigger, and solve the unsolvable. The future is not about AI taking over but about what we can achieve together. The story is one of collaboration. AI is our ally, not our adversary. The old story says intelligence is a zero-sum game. If machines get smarter, we become less relevant. But AI's promise is not replication, but augmentation. Like a telescope or microscope, AI is a lens that expands our perception. It excels at processing data and finding patterns beyond human reach. This frees us to focus on creativity, empathy, and judgment. A lawyer uses AI to sift through documents. A scientist uses it to explore new drugs. Together, they achieve more. AI amplifies our abilities, democratizes expertise, and empowers individuals. A farmer can use AI to optimize crops. A community can use it to advocate for change. By placing these tools in many hands, we multiply human value. This is not human versus machine, it's humanity, amplified. AI is a tool for empowerment. The more we use it wisely, the more we all benefit. The future is about unlocking potential, not limiting it. But the story isn't all promise. AI carries real risks. Like any powerful tool, it can be misused or cause harm. Bias is a major challenge. AI learns from our data and can amplify our prejudices. In hiring or justice, unchecked AI can perpetuate unfairness. Misuse is another danger. AI can be weaponized for manipulation, surveillance, or even autonomous weapons. These are not distant threats. They demand vigilance now. Unintended consequences are real. AI optimized for narrow goals can erode social cohesion. We must set wise goals and ethical guardrails. Building safe AI is about more than code, it's about embedding our values. The journey requires constant oversight and responsibility. We must be proactive, not passive. The risks are real, but so is our power to manage them. The future depends on our wisdom. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, but we are the creators. Every AI system reflects human choices and values. AI is not a force of nature, it's a mirror of our society. The most important work is ours. Ethicists, policymakers, teachers, parents, all shaping AI's direction. The human touch is more critical than ever. We can build AI that is transparent, safe, and accountable. We must insist on human oversight for critical decisions. This isn't about holding back technology, but steering it wisely. The challenge is to be thoughtful, collaborative, and value-driven. Everyone has a stake in this future. Your voice matters. The questions we ask and the standards we set will shape AI's path. The guiding hand must be our own. The future is a project for all of us. So where does our journey lead? We stand at a crossroads. One path is fear and division, the other is partnership and discovery. The choice is ours, made with every decision today. Let's choose hope, a future where AI helps us solve grand challenges. Imagine AI restoring ecosystems, curing diseases, unlocking clean energy. Imagine personalized education for all, creative potential unleashed, and new worlds explored. This is not fantasy, it's potential waiting for human wisdom. Curiosity is our essential fuel. We must learn, question, and engage, not fear. AI is a key to wonders if we dare to turn it. The future is not a battle but a shared project. The stars are calling, and now we have a partner to help us chart the course. The future is bright, and we will build it together.